Abraham, behold, I am God. Take now thy son, thine only son, whom thou lovest, and offer him upon the mountain.
No,
Was thou not born with sin in thine heart?
Yes, my lord!
Then you must sacrifice, or face eternal damnation.
I have done nothing wrong. I haven't done anything.
Sinful behavior in our community, ma'am.
But remember, Christ says
No,
that we are
Jesus
called
Christ
to
is the
love.
only way to heal these devils.
Okay, I think that's all the time we have for today.
I am not done speaking.
Forgive me, Father, if I have sinned. It's been 5 years since my last confession.
Margaret?
No?
You've got to go.
Why?
You know why.
Oh, it's not fair.
Private property, Margaret.
No. Oh, he gets out today, you know. You'll be seeing us in tomorrow's service.
Margaret, you need to understand this. They will never accept you here.
They have to. They're Christians. No. Why aren't you wearing the clothes that I sent you?
They're too small.
Put them on this instant.
They don't fit.
Just get in the car. Did anybody see you in that?
Probably. I've been here for over an hour.
Who?
I don't know.
You got a booger. Oh, come to Mama. Come on, baby. Come. Oh. Are you hungry? We can get whatever you want.
Mexican?
Nah, I had that for lunch.
It is only in our darkest hours that we truly know God. For this is when he tests us. Take Abraham. When he was asked to commit the greatest sacrifice, to kill his only son Isaac, he followed God's.
Sorry. Don't let us interrupt anything. We'll just sit in the back. Sam. Jeanette, come on. I know. I have an idea. why don't we have a welcome home Danny party? And I can put streamers up.
I don't think it's a good
balloons,
idea. I really
and I'll
don't
make
feel
my muffins. Come on, you can do it.
Hi, my name's Daniel Murphy.
Get the fuck off my property. Don't you ever look at my kid.
You don't have to worry about me anymore, I promise. Here, have a muffin, please.
Oh, shit.
Look. Hey. He's too old for me, okay? It's not a problem anymore.
Leave him alone! Get off!
Oh! God. You bitch! On my knee! Ow!
I'm so sorry.
Get.
Sorry.
Y'all get the fuck out of here.
Now that I have all of your attention, just want to say, my name is Daniel Murphy, and I'm a registered sex offender.
Does anyone want a muffin?
Oh, Abraham. Where is my Isaac, Abraham? I need him!
Danny, what are you doing in there? What are you doing?
What do you think?
Oh, forgive me, Father, for I've sinned. Oh, Father, forgive me. I need
Margaret, for the
forgiveness. I
love
need
of
absolution,
God.
please. Oh, God, I need help. I need to be forgiven, Father. Oh, please,
Margaret,
please.
I cannot absolve you if you do not confess, and you have not confessed.
I don't have to confess for anything. I didn't do anything.
It's what you
anything.
didn't do. Have you not got it? It's what you didn't do.
I
People
did
got hurt.
everything that I could. I have nothing to confess for. It was him.
Margaret.
It's not me. It's not me. I don't
Margaret,
have to confess for anything.
I will absolve you
Oh.
if you promise
Oh, thank
to
you,
leave.
Father. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Margaret.
Oh,
Margaret.
yes, what?
I absolve you of your sins.
Oh, thank you, Father. Thank you. Oh.
Say 3 Hail Marys. Kill your son! Margaret? Are you okay? Margaret?
Mom, this looks amazing. You're an angel. What do we have here? Thank you.
So how'd you sleep last night?
I slept like a baby. I feel like things are getting back to normal.
It is time.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
doing? Strike, for I am the Lord.
Dan!
So with heavy hearts, we say goodbye to this young man, Danny Peregrine Murphy. Let us sing.